Welcome. I would like to introduce the exclusive Krav Maga Instructors Center.
Is it the Wingate College? The School of Krav Maga and Martial Arts?
Sure. The teaching staff is comprised of a national and international staff of professional teachers with extensive experience and credentials in the field of Krav Maga.
Who is the head of discipline?
Avi Avisadon has been practicing Krav Maga and Krav Maga for over 35 years. In 1978, Avi was awarded his first black belt in Krav by the founder of Krav Maga's top student. Emmy Lichtenfeld is the founder of Krav Maga. Contact Fight was born in 1910, in Budapest, Hungary. For courses in United States of America, call Yuri Boyarsky by 949-333-0736. Email, yuri@kravmaga.com.